Don't you know that they'll be watching, waiting for him and failure? He ran on making up a million ways for you to tell her. You tell him it's a forest, or you're hiding up a tree. It's too bad opportunity doesn't come along with a lifetime guarantee.
Don't know how to get to Rick's Rex? Well, I'm going to tell you. You take the I-69 bypass, loop off on Dog Lick Road, whip up 13th Street and hang a right, baby, and you're here.
Yeah. Where there's a wind that shot an empty breaking line, nobody's gonna care. If you're the missing link of season, I'm the brink of sin, I'll be more than you can
Alright, we got some flavor of the day is gunk. Engine cleaner. Foamy, it says. Let's see how foamy it is. Oh yeah, she's foaming right on up. I'm going to get down here by that fuel pump too, because I think we're going to be replacing the fuel pump on this one as well, because when it sets, all the gas drains back out of this filter just like it did on that other Dodge that we worked on. The old Blackie, the 75. Anyway, we're going to let this soak a little bit. And we're going to hit them with the old power wash. I'm going to hit this power steering over here too, down in here. Not the pump, but I'm going to hit the steering gearbox, because I noticed she looks a little wet in there, and we know that we saw that power steering fluid, so we know that the old girl has got a leak or something. So let's put some up here on this hood, won't hurt anything. We're about empty. Just spray it everywhere. It's good for it. This way at least we can kind of see what we have. Otherwise, who knows, you know? Alright, show you more. Hot damn, we're shitting in tall cotton now.
Just stop and love me, because you're all scared. You're so scared of me. You always and curse your life. I'm dead and you're rotting inside as the fear instills into your soul. People like us desire to eat you whole. You don't want this life that shuns me to be this dead and this hungry. and I'm in full of doubt. It's not like I get motivated. I may never die, but at least you can say I tried. On your mind, I'll always be painted in fear. If the world would stop breeding people like me, we would stop fading. We live from all your weakness. At least your life is this bleakness. If you think it's all game and fun, I would waste this life on no one. I don't enjoy being this way, but if you see me, it's too late anyway. Cause I may never die with my hand out to the sky, hoping for the mass infection. I may never bleed from a life to proceed, literal resurrection. I may make it out and then I'm full of doubt, not like I get motivated. I may never die, but at least you say I tried. On your mind, I'll always be painted in fear. It doesn't justify living my life, but I'll feel why you all die. So hear the call from the cursed, get your kicks in before you're dead. Because I may never die with my hand out to the sky, hoping for the mass infection. I may never bleed for my life to proceed, literal resurrection. I may make it out and I'm not full of doubt. It's not like I get motivated. I may never die, but at least you say I tried. On your mind, I'll always be painted in fear. Moonlight dreams, kind of midnight scheme to make it work, and now beyond all means. Well, it might hurt. I hope you wear that skirt. Excuse me, ma'am, and I'll throw you through the dirt. I'm gonna find your bed and take what you said. I never get over your body's dead. You can carry on, baby, 'cause you'll be long gone. And you can try to scream, honey, but it turns me on and on and on and on. Tell me down to make it hard to get around with me. If a handkerchief makes it hard to make it, then you carry it on, and take it. What a real fool, but you can't make it to the door. Just for you, I knew how well you fought. You look so cute, I gotta keep you near me. Girl of my dreams, and the duck takes you out like that blue. Time it down, make it hard to get around you. If the handkerchief is not the time to get around, you get it out, you get it out, and take it. What a real fool, but you can't make it to the door. Just stop and love me, because you're all scared. You're so scared of me. You always and curse your life. I'm dead and you're rotting inside as the fear instills into your soul. People like us desire that eat you whole. You don't want this life that shuns me to be this dead and this hungry, because I may never die with my hand out to the sky, hoping for the mass infection. I may never be for my life to proceed, perpetual resurrection. I may make it out in a nightmare full of doubt. It's not like I get motivated. I may never die, but at least you can say I tried. On your mind, I'll always be painted in fear. If the world would stop breeding people like me, we would stop feeding. We live from all your weakness. At least your life is this bleakness. If you think it's all game and fun, I would wish this life on no one. I don't enjoy being this way, but if you see me, it's too late anyway. Cause I may never die with my hand out to the sky, hoping for the mass infection. I may never bleed for my life to proceed, virtual resurrection. I may make it out in a nightmare full of doubt, not like I get motivated. I may never die, but at least you say I tried. On your mind, I'll always be painted, painted, painted in fear. It doesn't justify living my life, but I'll feed you while you all die. So hear the call from the cursed, get your kicks in before you're dead. Because I may never die with my hand out to the sky, hoping for the mass infection. I may never bleed for my life to proceed, virtual resurrection. I may make it out in a nightmare full of doubt. It's not like I get motivated. I may never die, but at least you say I tried. On your mind, I'll always be painted in fear. Moonlight dream, in the midnight scheme, to make it work, and not beyond our means. Well, it might hurt,
Hot damn, boys, she's shining like a dime in a goat's ass now. It's a little windy all of a sudden. I was looking down in here after I got it cleaned, and you can see the water pump's been off, possibly replaced, but if you look back there, that timing plate cover, that's been replaced. So if someone's been into that, I would say most likely it's had a timing chain put on it. So that's a good sign, hopefully. So anyway, this is kind of cleaned up in here, so we're going to let this dry. We can start anyway right now, so we'll let it dry. I'm kind of done for the day. A day or two from now, I'll get out here, and we've got to get this charging whirly, as old Vice Grip Garage calls it. We got to get that going. And you can tell that the truck has been repainted through the years, because the original color of red is down here, and then it's got this other color on it. Of course, red oxidizes real bad anyway, but you can see down in here and up here where they got it on the rubber. And it might be that the cab was white, top part. Sorry about the wind. But back here, this bed has been yellow, and you can see it really good right here, and over here where it looks like somebody shot at it or something. So it's definitely been yellow. So anyway, not sure yet what I'm going to do with it. You know, we already talked about the fact that I may just take the bed off and do a flat bed on it, made out of wood with some metal trim around it. I think it would look nice. So you guys drop a comment down below and let me know what you think we ought to do with it. We definitely have to. The bed is pretty far gone, so we're gonna have to do something with that. It's one thing to fix some rust on the door, and this door up here is pretty rough too. So you can see the corners are completely gone out of that. So the floorboards we can fix, that's not a problem. We'll go to the junkyard and we'll get one of these things to put on here, and you know, some stuff like that. So anyway, drop a comment down below. Thanks for coming along. Be sure and like and subscribe. I think we're up to 224 subscribers now. Last time I looked, it may be more than that, maybe less. Some of you may have left. Hey, and if you don't want to watch, don't watch. You know, hey, that's all right too. So anyway, thanks for coming along. Bye.
Do you find it that hard to believe that all the wrong is done, and it has not always been me? Say, whoa, do you feel it's that important to win? Though you know I'm wild, you could have never been, could have never been. I said, do you find it that hard to conceive where you thought me blind? I say, I do see. I said, whoa, do you know that confidence is king, and the truth remains, I'm everything